Understanding Townhouse Floor Plans, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English related to architecture and housing: townhouse floor plans. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're simply curious about different types of homes, understanding this phrase will add a valuable piece to your vocabulary puzzle. Let's dive into the world of townhouses and their unique layouts. A townhouse is a type of multi-floor home that shares one or more walls with adjacent properties but has its own independent entrance. Unlike apartments, townhouses usually span multiple levels. This design is common in urban and suburban areas, offering a balance between the space of a single-family home and the convenience of community living. The term floor plan refers to a scale drawing that shows the layout of a home or property from a bird's eye view. Floor plans detail the arrangement of rooms, spaces, and physical features, providing insight into the flow of the living areas. They are crucial for understanding how a space is organized and how people will move through it. Townhouse floor plans are unique because they must efficiently use vertical space, often including multiple floors with living areas, bedrooms, and sometimes even a basement or rooftop terrace. The challenge is to create a sense of spaciousness and privacy within a compact footprint. Features like staircases, storage solutions, and the placement of windows play a key role in making townhouse floor plans functional and inviting. For anyone considering living in or designing a townhouse, understanding its floor plan is essential. It helps potential residents envision their daily life in the space, from cooking in the kitchen to relaxing in the living room. For architects and builders, creating an effective townhouse floor plan means balancing practicality with aesthetics, ensuring each unit is a place people can call home. We hope this exploration of townhouse floor plans has given you a clearer understanding of what they are and why they're important. Whether you're studying English, interested in architecture, or planning your future home, knowing how to discuss and analyze floor plans is an invaluable skill. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious, and keep learning.